guys, what's going on? Welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. In this video it's going to be a few things going on. I fix my S14 and then I get my mate from Sweden, Jesse Heisenberg. He takes my S14 for a little test drive. I'm going to show you guys that the S14 is all perfect right now, because if you guys remember in the last drift clip it was like getting stuck on the throttle and I found out what it was, so you guys are going to see some clips of that. Now that the S14 is finished, I can finally go to the next Keep It Read event or whatever track days are coming up. So definitely going to start driving more because I need more seat time. I'm going to start having some more fun because I haven't driven my R33 for about 6 months now, which sucks. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys that there's problems when you work in your car. Everyone tries to make it like they've done a perfect job, but no one ever does a perfect job. Sometimes you do shit perfect, but most of the time shit just goes wrong. Things take longer than they should. And in this video, you guys can see how much headache it is just to work on your car. Sometimes just shit doesn't go to plan. And I couldn't believe when I needed to move my S14, this shit happened. A wonderful start to the day. I had my keys in my pocket, fell out, and I shut the door behind me and it was locked. And now I've locked my keys in there. Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm going to show you how to break into a car. Oh, don't break my window. It's all that ruckus. Please be long enough. Oh shit, I just ripped off this plastic rubber fucking window seal. Oh no, that ain't working. Alright, clearly I don't know how to steal a car. Oh, fuck off. Oh, there we go. Bend that way. I can do it, I can do it. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I just realized when I grab the keys, how am I going to fit them through here? Ah, fuck's sake. Can my day get any more worse? Stop bending. There we go. Alright. Come on. Come on. Nope. Nope. Bend. Stupid. Fucking. Oh, sweet spot. Oh, come on. Come on, you're almost there, you son of a bitch. Don't get caught in the steering wheel. No. Down. Go down. There we go. Oh, come on, you motherfucker. Oh, I got the key on the bloody thing. Don't slide off. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this with one hand? Oh shit. Oh shit. Come on. Don't slide off. Come on. Come to Papa. No. What am I doing? Alright. There we go. Just like the arcade. Alright, hold this up. Yep. Come here. Alright. Ah, what a bugger that was to get out. Damn bastard. If you guys remember that video I did of this drifting at Keep It Read on the track, and it kept cutting out and then it kept driving by itself, well, I found out what it was. I can't believe how much of a stupid thing this was. It's always like something so small, something so stupid. but I couldn't hear it happening at the track, and I thought the accelerator cable was loose, so I tightened it up thinking that was the cause. Like I thought it was the cable was loose, but turns out, but because this sits up so high and smacks the bonnet, I knew this part did, but I didn't think this part did. So when you press on the throttle, it was actually getting stuck right here. So if you can see there, that's from this part opening, right there. And it was getting stuck on the bonnet. So sometimes when I was drifting, I'm like, I'm putting my foot down and nothing's happening. So when the car's drifting and I was going right and sliding this way, the engine's probably tilting and it's pushing it up higher against the bonnet. So it's getting jammed. And because the wheels are spinning, it's not having enough power to keep the motor running. So it kept cutting out of me, spinning out. It was pissing me off. I couldn't figure out what it was. Because it was getting stuck up the bonnet, I was like, shit, how am I going to fix this? And I realized, well, I'm just going to grab a hammer and just smash it up here. So I made a massive dent in the bonnet. So it's got some clearance now. But the problem is now, because I've done that, my bonnet looks like it's got a massive pimple. If you can see that. A pimple that you cannot pop. And I also went to keep a read for a couple hours, so here's a couple footages that I got. So changing the engine mounts, there's two nuts underneath there. There's like a stud at the top and there's two studs at the bottom with two nuts on them. So what you're going to do is you're going to undo those two nuts, slide this engine mount off, and then we'll slide the new one in. Pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to quickly undo these two nuts. So I've just taken out the shitty old stock engine mounts. These are about 20 years old. You can see like they're starting to crack there on the end. What you want to do is, while the engine's out, you might as well change them. So what I've done is, I went to Kudos Motorsports and found these for really cheap. They're called Hard Race, so this is what the company's called. They're not solid mounts, but they're like, I think they're like 40% stronger in rubber as well, so at least this rubber, not solid mount. So I'm going to slot these back in and hopefully drop the engine in today. New motor mounts are in, pretty easy job, just unbolt, slide them in, bolt them back up, or nut them back up as I should say. The heater core hoses, I gotta go swap them out quickly, so I'm gonna quickly swap them out. Voila! The clutch that I'm using is an Exceedi extra heavy duty, and these are rated to about 700 horsepower, so that's plenty for what I need. They're very affordable. I got off Kudos Motorsports for about around low $600, and they're pretty cheap for a single plate clutch that can handle that much power. They're pretty worth it. So see how this clutch goes once I get it tuned. Having a shit time trying to get this gearbox back on the motor by myself. No one can help me out. There's too much noise going on in the background. It's doing my head in. Have a listen. Just can't stand it. I just want to get this shit done. Try to slide the gearbox into the clutch and it won't even line up properly. For some reason it will go in. I'll move the teeth around, try to like find that sweet spot. Can't find anything. I use the clutch alignment tool. It sits perfectly fine, so the clutch is sitting nicely in its spot. And I just don't know why I can't put this gearbox in. And if you guys don't know, gearboxes are very heavy, so my back right now is just killing me. This whole time I reckon I would have had it in my car by now. It's just bullshit when shit like this happens. 4 hours when it should only take like 2 minutes to slide the gearbox onto the motor. It's just ridiculous, man. It's like I just want to slap those plate numbers on that and just go for a massive cruise, because I need to go blow off some steam, clutch kicking that shit. As I was about to give up, I was like, I'm done, my back is killing me. I was like, I'm not going to do this shit anymore, I'm going to save it for another day. And as I was packing up, I'm like, nah, screw this, I'm going to try and get it on. I don't care how long it's going to take. Voila, finally, after how many bloody hours just to slide a gearbox onto the motor. So ridiculous how long that took. Now I don't think I have time to drop it in, so I'm going to have to probably end this video very soon and continue this video for another time. And see what's going to happen. If I do it in this video, sick. If I don't worry, more content. I'm going to attempt to drop it in my car. If I feel like I can't do it today, I'll save it for tomorrow. here. I'm going to save this for tomorrow. I've got no time to do this because I know it's going to be a puzzle trying to get this in. So I'm going to continue this video tomorrow. I'm going to pack everything up and then I'll end the video from there. Alright guys, I can't believe the headache that I went through today. As you guys saw, my keys got stuck in the S14. I needed that to move so I can get this crane through. Eventually hooked out my keys. Then the gearbox, after about 4 hours, maybe 5 hours in total, trying to get this gearbox into the bloody motor. I just don't understand why it took so long. I kept trying all these different things. I've done gearboxes maybe twice in my life. This is the 3rd time. And I just can't believe the amount of headache it took just to slide this sucker in. And for some reason, at one point, I was like giving up. I was like, I put the gearbox down, right? I set a piece of wood underneath, just took a little bit of a breather. I'm like, all right, one more time. For some reason, that one more time just slid right in. It felt weird when it went in. It didn't like feel like a proper lock in, but it just went in. And then I chucked in a bolt and I was like, holy shit, I can bolt it up now. So I bolted it all up and it just slid into place. So I'm so wrapped that the gearbox is following the motor. But the downside to that is that it took so long that I reckon I would have had this motor in my car by now. So I'm going to have to continue this video tomorrow. After work, I'm going to get this motor into my R33. So the next video is you're going to see me guys put in this motor finally in my R33. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a like, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe because there's going to be heaps of content to come, especially when this gets tuned. Because man, I'm going on the tow gate every single night. I don't give a shit. I'm just going to go for so many drives. And now that I've fixed the S14, as you guys have seen, finally start hitting up track days. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.